By far the best bang for your buck is to paint. It's amazing how a fresh coat of paint is probably 80% of the solution, and by far the cheapest thing you can do before getting a house ready for sale. Some of the items below I would argue with are not quite appearing in market values these days. That goes for smart homes and solar. Although I wholeheartedly believe in those items, we're not quite seeing them being bid up as a premium for those types of items. I'll have to admit that for repairs that exceed $1,000, you're probably not going to get your money back in a resale. Stick to the cosmetic items that have the best bang for your buck, like painting and sprucing up the front facade with flowers, a flagpole, or even mulch in the beds. That will help bring curb appeal. So much of what we do nowadays in real estate marketing is about having good digital media, and good photos and video are going to get people to come to see the house. 99% of the people that see your home when it's on the market are going to see it online first. So anything you can do to improve the photos is going to go far. Stick to the paint and avoid major renovations.